Bulging eyes in fish are often a sign of poor water quality, which can be caused by inadequate filtration or cycling of the water in the tank, leading to a buildup of toxins. This can result in a condition known as Popeye, characterized by bulging eyes. Overcrowding the tank can also reduce water quality by decreasing dissolved oxygen levels, exacerbating the problem. To address this issue, it's essential to isolate the affected fish, treat it, and clean the tank, reducing the fish population as needed. Bacterial infections can also cause bulging eyes, as bacteria can enter the fish's body through open wounds or gills and attack the eyes and other organs, leading to symptoms such as cloudy or bulging eyes. In such cases, isolating the sick fish and consulting a veterinarian for diagnosis and treatment is crucial. Additionally, physical injury can cause bulging eyes in fish, particularly in accident-prone or hyperactive species. If bulging is noticed in one eye, it's likely the result of a collision with a rock or a fight with another fish. In such instances, isolating the fish and consulting a veterinarian can help determine if there are any underlying causes that need to be addressed. By taking these steps, it's possible to identify and treat the underlying cause of bulging eyes in fish, improving their health and well-being.